is your jog button right here. Go button.
Okay.
There's also a brake.
That's the brake?
Yeah, the red button to slow it down. Over here are your change speeds. So, you know, I don't know what speed it is right now, but if you
Sure.
go all the way to the end, sometimes you have to jog it to get it into gear. You want to go 130. This is your switch, it's already there, because this is your low, and this is your high.
Okay.
So we got it on high, so we want to go.
It's max speed of 130 RPM. Yeah, that's 130 RPM.
Yes, yeah. Like I say, see all these are go one way or another. Look at all these. Right now, all these are to the left.
So that's the high.
Yeah, on your high.
Got it.
You go right down. With all these, but if you go to your low, this here will bring it down to 65 RPM.
Okay, so leave the handles all the same and then just switch it over to low.
Yeah, yep, that's all that is.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, over here is your traverse. You can also do your speeds, your spindle speeds over here. That would be the same thing as my buttons over there.
Okay.
Okay, the carriage, you can put it in rapid or cutting speed. Go rapid, we're gonna go slow.
Yeah, don't have much room to travel here at the steady rest.
See, that will bring your, if you go cutting, it will go slower. Of course, it will go when that thing is running.
Correct.
But to move the carriage back and forth, just put it on rapid. This is your cross slide. Go in. Got that? We don't use coolant on this, so. And that's basically how you run this thing. When you're cutting, well, when this thing's running, put on cutting speed, forward, and then you have that's for your,
That's a variable speed control. That's what that is. It's a variable speed control.
yeah.